Experiencing trouble uploading photos or videos to Meta Business Suite? You're not alone. As of August 2025, upload issues remain one of the most commonly reported problems by users worldwide. Meta's platform changes are a major factor behind these upload issues. Enhanced security protocols now validate files more strictly, AI-powered content screening can cause delays or false rejections, and mobile-first optimization sometimes creates desktop upload inconsistencies. Using the correct file formats is crucial for successful uploads. For images, stick to JPG, JPEG, or PNG formats. For videos, use MP4 or MOV formats with H.264 video codec and AAC audio codec for best compatibility. File size limitations are critical to understand. Images must be under 8 megabytes, while videos can be up to 4 gigabytes. Exceeding these limits is one of the most common causes of upload failures. Several technical factors can affect upload success. Server load varies by time of day and geographic region. Content delivery network delays can slow processing. Browser compatibility also matters, with Chrome and Safari showing the highest success rates at 87% average. Understanding these core issues, platform changes, file format requirements, size limitations, and technical considerations is the first step toward resolving Meta Business Suite upload problems. In the next section, we'll explore specific troubleshooting steps and solutions. When upload problems occur, start by checking your file formats. Meta Business Suite has specific requirements that must be met for successful uploads. For videos, use MP4 format with H.264 codec and AAC audio. Keep files under 4 gigabytes and ensure minimum 720p resolution for best results. If your files don't meet these specifications, use conversion tools. Handbrake is excellent for video conversion, allowing you to re-encode videos with the correct codec and compression settings. For image compression, TinyPNG is a powerful tool that can reduce file sizes by up to 70% while preserving image quality. This helps ensure your images stay under the 8 megabytes limit. Browser issues are a common cause of upload failures. Start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies, which can resolve many upload problems caused by stored data conflicts. Browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools, frequently interfere with uploads. Incognito mode bypasses these extensions and provides a clean testing environment. A stable internet connection is crucial for successful uploads. Meta recommends at least 5 megabits per second upload speed. Test your connection speed if uploads consistently fail. VPNs can interfere with Meta's upload servers. If you're using a VPN and experiencing upload issues, try disabling it temporarily. Wired connections are also more stable than Wi-Fi for large file uploads. Finally, verify your account permissions and verification status. You need admin rights to upload content to business pages, and some features require full business verification. These troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of Meta Business Suite upload issues. Work through them systematically, starting with file format and size checks, then moving to browser and connection issues, and finally verifying account permissions.